Hey everyone, this is Ashish from Developer Hut and welcome to the next topic of Go for Beginner series, which is formatting verbs. So in our previous session, we saw the output function where in the printf function, we used certain formatting verbs. Now we will see what exactly this formatting verb is. So formatting verb is a combination of text and symbol which is available in certain a string, right? Now Go will read these verbs, format the output and print the string on the console. Now there are basically 5 type of formatting verbs available in a Go. So these are general formatting verbs, integer formatting verbs, string formatting verbs, Boolean formatting verbs and float formatting verbs. Now let's start with general formatting verbs. So there are 4 general formatting verbs available in Go. The 2 of them we already saw in our previous session, which is %v and %t. However, there is a slight variation in between them. So we will see them one by one. So we have a %v which will print the default value. We have %v which will print the value in a Go syntax format. We have a %t which is print a type of that particular value. If you want the % value in the output, then you can use a % formatting verb. So let's create one variable. So I will say var let's say I, which is of type float 15.5. Okay, and then I will create j, which is of type string, and I will say hello, right? And let's use these formatting verbs. So I will say fmt dot printf, okay, and I will simply print the first formatting verb with, let's say, %v, comma, which is I, okay, and this will simply print the value in default format, which is 15.15. Okay, now next is let's try to print the type of this value, or let's try to print in Go syntax format. So I will say I will add /n so that it will be easy for us to get the output properly on the console. So I will just simply copy and paste this. So the second is we will print in Go syntax format. So I will use a hash. Okay, then we have a %t because I want to type, and then we will use %v and %. Okay, let's try to run this and see the output. So I will say go run, and I will just say 7 formatting verb dot go. Okay, so we haven't used j, so that's compile time error. So let's also print j. So I will simply just copy paste this, and I will say I want to print the j, okay, which is John, and I will simply just copy paste all this, and I will just simply add the j variable over there. So we'll say j. We do not require this, right, because it's a string and we don't require the %sign. Okay, so we'll print the default value of j, then we'll print the Go syntax value of this string, which is hello, and then we will see the type of the j variable, which is string. Okay, so now let's try to run this. So here, if you see, the I in default is 15.5, then the Go syntax format is also same, there is no change. Then we printed the type, which is float 64, which is a default type. Then we printed the %sign, right, with %. Then if you see here carefully, the value of j default value is hello. However, the Go syntax value of j is in double quotes hello. Okay, so this is difference between default format and Go syntax format. Okay, and lastly is just a type of the j variable, which is string. These are the general formatting verbs. Now we will see the next, which is integer formatting verbs.